Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I got a package in the mail recently. This is pretty cool. I've been working on trying to get some tubes sold up, getting my collection in place, and this is helping me do that. So I thought I'd share with you what I have and where I'm at in my process. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. I'm always a little afraid to cut these open because you just never know where things are lying in here. But doing a little bit of an unboxing. I haven't been doing a whole lot of those lately, but I thought this would be a good candidate to do an unboxing and kind of talk about a few things. But let's see what's in here first. And it's wrapped up very nice. And that's good. One thing I'd like to ask some of these people that are sending packages with coins, I really appreciate a good wrapped up coin that's safe and doesn't bounce around. Some coins I opened up a few days ago though were were just too well packaged. I had to cut and get out knives and get out scissors. I mean, practically had to damage the coin to get inside there. So please wrap them up well, but don't overdo it because it was close to me damaging with my knife and stuff to get in there to cut that tape to get those things out of there. So let's do a good job, but let's not overdo it, folks, because we gotta keep our precious metals precious, right? Alright, so we'll go ahead and get this open. See what's in here. Oh, okay, cool. Now these are packaged well. Look at this, huh? Wow. What are these things? I've never seen these things before. This is some pretty cool packaging. So I got 5 of them here. All of them came in these cool little pouches. These are like these cool little soft pouches. Wow. That is excellent. Not all wrapped up with tape and make me get out my knife and scissors. So let's see what these are. So pull it open. Do we have to destroy it or can I reuse it? I don't know. It looks like a one-time use unless I tape it back up myself. But, ooh, what do we have here? Oh, yes. We have ourselves a 20-gram Geiger bar. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Of course, it's got the security features on it. Gotta love that, don't we? Alright, so there's one. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, here's one. Again, these things are really cool. I don't know what these are called or how much they cost, but looks like it's scotch tape across them. Yeah, these are, boy, I hate to have to destroy it, but it looks like I have to. These are cute little things. Maybe something from the medical field? I don't know. What do we have? Another Geiger 20-grammer. Ooh-wee. She is a beaut. Alright. See if I can get into this without destroying it so much. I'd really like to keep these things, but yeah, I don't think so. And to just rip it open, I guess. And another one here, another 20-grammer. I have to tell you folks, I got these things for an absolutely fantastic price. So much I'm thinking about writing back to the guy and seeing if he has any more. Because these things are awesome. Alright. A couple more here and then we're going to do something else with them. Alright. Here we go. Another 20-grammer. Oops, almost trapped. I don't want to drop it on top of my other ones. Very nice. What do you think about those, huh? Ooh, pretty nice. Alright. And then one more. Let's get this one open. There we go. Take a look. Alright, so 520 gram Geiger, so 100 grams. Could work on, if I were to get a bunch of these, I could get a fractional kilo in Geiger grams, huh? That'd be cool. Alright, so let me just check real quick, see if any of these are consecutive serial numbers. I just love it when I get consecutive serial numbers. Doesn't look like it. They're close. Probably all the same backs. But a couple digits off. Okay, here's that one's consecutive to that one. And then that one. So those three are consecutive. But these two are not. They would go on either ends, but they're close. Some certainly came out of the same tube or the same backs. All right. So what are we going to do here? We are going to put these into my Geiger tube that I've been trying to collect. All right, so these are 20 grammers. And I recently put out a video showing about how I was trying to fill my Geiger tubes. That was one of my goals. And I have 20s and the 10s left. So here is my 20 gram tube. You can see here it holds 30 of them. 30 times 20. And you can see I am in the process of filling. This thing's pretty darn heavy. See, I'm in the process of filling it, but it is not filled up yet. Would you believe I opened it up upside down? How could I do that? Old fucking Bullion, that was not good. Alright, so I'm going to have to put these back in here. I think I had them in the order of how they came with consecutive serial numbers too, so that's kind of a bummer, but give me a minute here to put my mess back together, and we will go from there. Okay, so here we go. Got them all back in their little happy package. Yeah, I haven't opened this up too often. Apparently I need to pay attention to what I'm doing because I dumped all those sons of guns out into the, what would be the top of the box, right? So, goes like that. So you need to know that when the writing's like that, that's when it's right side up. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to fill up my tube with these 5 20 grammers. And let me see, how many do I have? I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I have 21 total, and as we saw earlier, this box holds 30. So this helps get me pretty close to my goal, right? So because over here, let me see, on this side I need 1, 2, 3, 4. This side I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why don't we put them in this side and fill up this whole row over here? And man, I didn't realize I was this close. Now I'm only 4 20 grammers away from filling this tube. See here, this thing's set nice and pretty inside that little case. Don't bang into each other unless you open them up upside down like I did. But who doesn't love a tube of Geigers, huh? Can we get a look at these things without tipping them out of there? This one appears to be frosty white. You know what I think? Either manufactured differently or it's milk spotted. It does have a milk spot on it there, but I think the rest of that could be a milk spot, but it looks so perfectly on there that I think it's more frosted. This is more of a proof-like look, and this is more of a frosting type look. So maybe just variation in their process. Let me see if I can see. This is AV661. This is a V534, so maybe in the 6,000s, or that would be 600,000s, they produced them a little bit different. I'm not sure. But they do, you see, those aren't milk spotted. Those are kind of a frosted look to them. Whereas these have more of a shiny, polished look to them. Huh, interesting. See, more of a polished look. Or more of a frosted look on these. Alright, so there you go. I have only 4 more, so I have 26 20 ounces. Let's do the math on that. Let's see how much silver is in there. So we're going to do 20 times 26. So we have 26 in there. Works out to 520 grams. We're going to divide by 31.1. Alright, so we have 16.72 ounces of silver in here. Pretty awesome, huh? So when we get this thing full, let's see, we'll have 19.29 ounces, just shy of 20 ounces in this thing. And this thing's heavy. Alright, that's my 20 grammers. But I recently actually bought another one, but I bought a 10 grammer. I just bought one because, you know, sometimes we just drip this stuff into our collections, right? You can't always buy a lot. Just something else that's being sold at the same time. I'm like, hey, throw in that 10 gram Geiger with it. So the other box I'm working on is my 10 gram Geiger box, and you can see here I don't have nearly as many as I do here, but you know, this is what we do, right? We collect. So over here it looks like I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this will be my 12th one. And again, this has 30. This is a tube of 30. So just like the American Silver Eagle comes with the green tube, like this. Here, let me show you. These ASE tubes. This is how Geiger produces theirs. So there's 20 ounces of ASEs, and as we talked about, there'd be almost 20 ounces in here. Obviously less than there, it'd be about half of that. But yeah, so this is Geiger's version of an American Silver Eagle tube. This is how the German Mint puts it out. So yeah, so that's why I call it a tube, because I mean they're really cases, right? But this is Geiger's version for what they produce. Alright, so here we go. We got this 10 grammer. Let's go ahead and put it in here. I'm going to try to not open up this box upside down like I did the last one. I'll get my thumb in there. There we go. Got it open. Open it the right way. As you can see, it's a little unbalanced, and to be equal I need one more on this side over here. So we go ahead and put it in over there. Boom, there we go. What do you think, huh? 12 10 gram Geigers. So what does that give us? 3.86 ounces of silver in there. I just love Geiger bars. I just love everything about them. They're just so cool. And I'm telling you, I've been picking them up for a really good price, and I don't buy them unless I get them for a good price. So these 5 I just picked up, I got those for really the cheapest I paid for them in a long time. So that's really cool. That's why I picked them up. Once this thing gets full, this will be 9.65 ounces. So this was almost 10 ounces, and this will be almost 20 ounces. So between the two of them, almost 30 ounces. So that's pretty cool, huh? Alright, so yeah, I thought you'd appreciate a little update on my Geiger collection and trying to get my tubes filled up. And pretty cool, these little pouches that he put them in that came in the mail. I've never seen anything like it. That is a fantastic idea. I'd like to find out where he got those from and how expensive they are, because that is a great way to ship PMs for sure. I don't know, would a ounce coin fit in there? I think it would. I have one on my desk. It's in a capsule, but yeah, it would fit in there. Should be a nice solution for packing up some 1-ouncers, I think. Okay, well that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the Geiger show. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.